So, in this class, we explain about total derivative. This is the part of partial derivatives. Next topic, total derivative means if u is a function of x and y, and where x is a function of t and y is a function of t, finally u is a function of t alone. That's why u is a function of t. We have to find its derivative by using chain rule. Du by dt is equal to dou u by dou x into dx by dt plus dou u by dou y into dy by dt. Why dou u by dou x means u is a function of x and y. In this case, we calculating partial derivative. In this case, we are calculating ordinary derivative and dou u by dou y into dy by dt. Now, sometimes u is a function of x, y, z. So here x and y and z are functions of t. Finally, u is a function of t alone. In this case, chain rule we write like this: du by dt is equal to dou u by dou x into dx by dt plus dou u by dou y into dy by dt plus dou u by dou z into dz by dt. We continue this process. We solve one question from this model. So, given u is equal to sin x by y, where x is equal to e power t, y is equal to t square, find du by dt. Verify your answer by direct substitution as a function of t. So, now given u is equal to sin x by y, that means u is a function of x and y. Where x is equal to e power t and y is equal to t square, both x and y are functions of t alone. By chain rule, du by dt is equal to dou u by dou x into dx by dt, dou u by dou y into dy by dt. Now we can calculate separately what is dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x means sin x by y derivative partially with respect to x. That means sin derivative cos x by y. What is x by y derivative? X derivative 1. This is remaining term is y term is constant. Now dou u by dou y is equal to this one again with respect to y, sin derivative cos x by y into, in this case, x is constant and 1 by y derivative is minus 1 by y square. That means 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. Now you calculate dx by dt, that is equal to e power t derivative e power t, and dy by dt is equal to t square derivative is 2t. Now replace all these values in equation number 1. du by dt is equal to dou u by dou x means this one. That means you write like this: 1 by y cos x by y into dx by dt is e power t plus minus x by y square into cos x by y into t square derivative is 2t. Now replace x value and y value in terms of t. This is equal to 1 by y means 1 by t square, cos x by y means e power t by t square into e power t, minus x means e power t, this is t power 4, cos x means e power t by y means t square into 2t. So now you common this e power t cos e power t by t square is common from this. This is 1 by t square minus 2t by t power 4. This e power t common, cos e power t by t square, cos e power t by t square. Here t, this is 3 times e power t cos e power t by t square into this. Here t cube is LCM. This is t minus 2. So by direct substitution means you calculate directly. Given u is equal to sin x by y, so you replace u is equal to sin e power t by t square. So you calculate du by dt is equal to sin derivative is cos e power t by t square into e power t by t square divided by using UAV formula. This is t square whole square t power 4 v u dash minus 2t e power t. So finally this is cos e power t by t square. In this case e power t into t is common. This is t minus 2 by t power 4. Finally this is e power t cos e power t by t into t minus 2 by t cube. So hence verified. Thank you.